guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought we would do a little packing vlog. I thought this would be a little fun to do, kind of show you guys how I pack everything I'm bringing when you guys are watching this. I'm currently in Europe. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see like what I don't know why I'm dancing like this. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see like what I'm up to in Europe, where exactly I'm going, what I'm wearing, how I plan all these outfits. I leave in 3 days, which is pretty soon. I am going for about 2 weeks-ish, so I have a lot of stuff that I want to bring. I'm going to some really fun places. I need to figure out exactly what I want to bring, what outfits I want to wear, like to which places I'm going. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like try on all the outfits that I'm bringing just to make sure that they all work really well. Trying to figure out like everything and find some ways to condense my suitcase to be as small as possible because Europe is pretty cold and I'm going for 2 weeks, so I'm gonna be bringing a lot of big stuff. First step, my bed's not made, I'm sorry. Need to do my laundry. Right there, it's right there. I don't want to bring dirty clothes. I also, here are some of the things that I'm planning on bringing that I bought. I got this like really thick jacket because, well, I'm not used to the cold and I thought it'd be a lot colder than I think it's going to be. And then I also have like some sweaters and stuff in here. I just need to make sure that everything goes together and has an outfit and like will look cute. Normally I just like throw everything in and I'm like, okay, we're good. But that's not how we're gonna do it. We're gonna try on all the outfits, see if they go, so I am not screwing myself over. I made my bed just for you. Here are the 2 suitcases that I'm bringing. I wanted to bring 2 suitcases because winter clothes are really big and I just wanted to have some room if I wanted to buy souvenirs and just not be stressed fitting it all into a carry-on. And this suitcase right here, I have a ton of stuff that I got for Christmas for Europe, so it's not all staying in this, but I kind of consolidated it into here. Like a neck pillow and a blanket, those are going to be on my little carry-on bag. Throw them on the ground. You know, I have a ton of stuff. I'm trying to figure out how I want to disperse the stuff, like putting stuff in here that I'm okay with. If the bag gets lost, like I'm okay with it, but this will be going on the plane with me. I'm also bringing a backpack. If you guys haven't seen my what I got for Christmas video, you guys should check it out. I show a ton of stuff like packing cubes and a bunch of little things that I got for this trip. I've never used packing cubes, so I'm kind of nervous to see like how I'm going to fit things in here or like what I should fit in there. I have a ton of things that are still like in their packages, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of their packages. I think I broke the adapter because it's not like going back into the little box. Now I feel like I'm kind of screwed because I really think I just like screwed this up. It's like not going back. 2 seconds later, I literally just got it back, so I'm just stupid. I just put my clothes in the washing machine, so I don't have everything here in front of me. But I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just get rid of my suitcases and then plan out my outfits, what I want to wear, and then just see if they go well together. I'm a very visual person, so I think laying everything out and seeing if it goes well will help me a lot. Just threw it all on the floor. How cute of me. Love putting clean clothes on the floor. Okay, so the first thing that I think I want to do is start with jeans because I probably will re-wear jeans multiple times. I don't really have any pants besides leggings and jeans that I'm going to bring with me. And I bought a ton of pair of jeans that don't have holes in them because you guys said in my video not to wear jeans with holes in them. I don't remember which one is which. I have 2. Oh, these are heavy actually. I have 2 boxes filled with jeans. This is a Target receipt. I don't want to forget these. I bought these. Now I need to find the jeans that don't have holes in them. That's gonna be hard. Most of them have holes in them. Nope. Kind of. Nope. Oh, these are gonna be good, right? No. That's where my deodorant went. Oh my gosh. Dilemma number 1. I only have like 2 pairs of jeans and these are low-rise jeans. I've never even tried them on. Don't want to wear low-rise jeans. This is as far as these go up. I ordered them online and I'm pretty sure they're kid sizes. Here is a little update for you guys. Not going well. I really only have 2 pairs of jeans that I can wear. These are mom jeans that don't have holes, but mom jeans are very like flowy, so I feel like that would be really cold. These ones do have rips in them. They're like tiny little rips, so I felt like it wouldn't be that much. It's so hard to find jeans without holes in them. So I really only have 2 pairs of jeans, and then I have these 2 pairs that have holes in them, and I think that I might bring these just to have like backup jeans. This doesn't look like it's organized, but it is. So I picked out 3 outfits and I'm not really sure how I feel about them. Most of the stuff is honestly from Forever 21. Like all of this besides like that and that. This is a cute little turtleneck and I thought this would be cute with this cheetah print, whatever this thing is called, jacket, I don't know. But I'm not sure if the tones are too different. And then I have this chunky sweater. I thought it'd be cute with like a French tuck with some black jeans and then this cheetah belt and then maybe like this little hat. This is just like a simpler outfit. I don't know. I kind of stressed. I'm going a little insane. I have this blazer kind of jacket thing. It's so cute, but I don't have the right like sweater t-shirt to wear under it, so I'm kind of stressed. I really love it. I really want to wear it, but everything is just not right. Put this beanie on because I thought it was cute. Aren't I cute? This isn't the look I imagined. There's nothing that looks good with this. Oh! My other option for this is to wear all black and then just have this be like the only pop of white. What if I tucked? Imagine this with like jeans and then I tuck, it's kind of long. I tuck this in. I think I do like the all black though. So far that's like the best one that we've had. We finally got one. Okay, imagine this outfit but with jeans. I got lazy and didn't want to put the jeans on. So I literally tucked this into my leggings and this is just kind of like sitting there. It'll be cuter with the jeans. Add the boots with the boots. With the boots. Yeah. I'm not really sure about this one. First off, I'm having a heat stroke. Second off, I'm not sure if it's too much going on up here with the turtleneck and then with this. It's so hot, I need to take it off. Intermission. This is cute on its own. I mean, this isn't that cute. It's like simple, I guess. Ooh, ooh. Do I look like I'm a pimp or do I look like I'm in a thrift shop music video? Work it, girl. Give it a twirl. Anyone remember that song from the Lizzie McGuire movie? This is a mess. I have some special guests to her. Stop. No. Don't. No. 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 I love you still. No. Will you ever learn? You hear the grunts? Oh no, she's in the way. Zoe, you're in the way. Bye. Oh, this is so heavy. Next day, same outfit. This is my carry-on suitcase and I packed all of it, but I think I might take some stuff out of it and put it into my one that I'm checking. I can't fit everything into this and I feel like it doesn't make sense. Check a bag and not carry one on because this is free. I don't want to risk like losing this and losing everything. I think I'm gonna take this stuff on here and put it in here and then put like my makeup and stuff like that in here. It looks so cute. So much better. Really completes the look. I really thought that I was going to fill this suitcase up completely, but I only filled up like half of it. I still need to figure out all my camera stuff that I want to bring, and then I need to like fill my travel size stuff. No. Here's my updates on packing. Stop. No. Hey, you can see me. I put all of my like shampoos and conditioners, face wash, dry shampoo, like all my like beauty non-makeup stuff in here. But one thing that I did was these are from Amazon and they don't have anywhere to like differentiate if it's shampoo, conditioner, lotion, face wash, blah blah. So I took some masking tape and I put a C on it for conditioner, and then like this one's lotion, this one's shampoo. So a bunch of like hygiene stuff in here.
You don't strike me as...
I think that I have everything. The only thing that I really need to pack is like toothbrush, toothpaste, phone charger, last minute things. I thought I would end the vlog here. If you guys are not following my Instagram, definitely should keep up with all my travels in life, and yeah, subscribe if you're not already. I have a ton of amazing content coming in 2020 that I'm really excited about. Stay tuned. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.